we are from Mexico, from the Autonomous University of Nayarit. So we are professors and researchers, investigators about social studies. Also, one of the research line that we are in is sustainability.
We think we have this problem. We do the video for skip some of the paper, and then everything we can see by the video clip.
Okay. It's very nice. It's the first time I come
Visit.
Of my research. Satisfaction of researcher with service provided by the Institute for Research and Development. let's see on the screen.